Hello, pumpkin people. Okay, so don't shoot the messenger, but Christmas is out everywhere and at Dollar Tree, and I'm 100% in fall mode, but there are shipping delays and manufacturing shortages this year, so I didn't want you to miss out on some of the things that I saw at Dollar Tree. Not showing you guys everything, just things that I either personally like and would use or I think may be worthwhile to you so that you don't miss out on any of it. So I hope you guys will enjoy this very short sneak peek of what Dollar Tree is offering for Christmas 2021. So off the bat, I did find these gnomes. I did not buy any. I know they also come in a gray. I thought I would show you though because these are huge and the quality is the same as anywhere else where you would buy these for more money. Now my favorite find, I didn't want to keep you waiting until the end of the video, are these little tin houses that you can put a tea light in. How cute would a village of these be? I have a lot of this kind of thing from the Target dollar spot and Walmart and other places, so I didn't pick any up, but I adore that dark green color. I love that Dollar Tree did that. Almost every year I buy monogram ornaments, and the first ones that I ever bought looked just like this, but they were from Pottery Barn for $6, I think. So such a good steal from Dollar Tree, and they also come in the craft material that you can DIY yourself. I saw these tea light holders. They are larger than what we normally see, and the quality is pretty good. I can see these being spray painted black and used in kind of like a more minimalist style decor and looking really elegant. They also have the mugs. I think these are so cute. A really nice looking mug for $1. Definitely a good option to stick a gift card in to give a quick and easy gift this holiday season. And door hangers are so expensive. Dollar Tree does have them, and you can just spray paint these so that they match whatever color scheme you want them to be. These were my favorite bags that I saw. I'm not doing a great job showing them, but I love how kind of more simplistic they are, and on the neutral side, I just thought they were really pretty. They have tons of bottle brush trees. I've seen other ones that I have not filmed yet, but I saw this pink tinsel tree and I thought that would be adorable for a child's playroom or bedroom, or even if you do that pastel, true vintage kind of look from the 50s for Halloween. And then there are a bunch of little signs. I don't personally decorate with little signs like this, but the quality of them is really nice for $1. They also have these little snow globes, and they come in a lot of different styles. There's the snowman, Santa, a gnome, an elf. They're not the best quality with the paint at least, but thought I would show you them. Happy holidays with the red truck. It seems like the red truck is not going anywhere. And then we have the snowman and Santa down below as well. So here are some of the wrapping papers. Love the plaid, love the ones that look vintage, and love the ones that are in like a dark green kind of color palette because that's how I decorate for Christmas. And I like to throw all of my wrapping paper in a basket next to my tree. It looks really cute as decor, but then it also serves as a reminder to get my presents together and get them wrapped. I'm always last minute with that kind of thing. Let me know if you are too. And then I did see some signs. I think these can be really cute in a wreath. I don't mind like doing something cutesy and fun like this on a wreath outside or for outdoor decor, but for inside, I really don't use this kind of thing. But I thought I would show it to you in case you like it. I think this one and the one behind it are my favorite. They're definitely cute and something that I would put on my front door. Now they are carrying some rose gold ornaments this year, which they have never really done a lot of rose gold in the past, just a thing or two. But if you love rose gold Christmas, check out the oldest videos on my channel because I did all rose gold decor back before you could even find it. It was very difficult. So yeah, check those out and ignore my awkwardness. Oh my gosh, look at these fluted, really shiny gold reflective chargers. Perfect for holiday entertaining. But if you are planning a wedding or an event, get these from Dollar Tree. I got married last year and it cost $1 to rent a charger, so I bought them all from Dollar Tree, and then they were the first thing I was able to sell after my wedding. So that's what I saw at Dollar Tree that I thought was worth mentioning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to enjoy this October. It is going by so quick. I can't stand it. And yeah, like I said, I just wanted to show you this stuff so that you wouldn't miss out, because it'll be here and gone in seconds, basically. I love you, my pumpkin people. I will catch you in a future fall video. Bye now.